These are the 5 best lifetime free RuPay credit cards that all of you should have at least one in your collection for UPI payments, with 2 bonus mentions at the end, starting with Salary Say. This RuPay card can give you up to 37.5% rewards on the first and last day of the month, which is Salary Day bonus offered by the Salary Say RuPay card using their app. For other days, it offers 5% rewards on both online and offline spends below 20,000 rupees every month, and when the spends cross 20,000 rupees in a month, you will get double rewards of 10% Salary Say coins. The S coins you earned as rewards can be redeemed in 2 ways. 1, by buying gift cards where 5 S coins are worth 1 rupee, and 2, as statement credit where 10 S coins are worth 1 rupee. The virtual RuPay card is lifetime free, whereas if you want a physical card, that will have a 499 rupees plus GST yearly fee. But if you spend 2 lakh rupees in a year, the yearly fee will be waived off, which also has travel perks like airport lounge access and offers on 250 plus brands. Up next is the lifetime free HSBC Platinum RuPay card, which if you apply using the link in description, you will earn 600 rupees Amazon Pay gift card when your card gets approved. 250 rupees from HSBC and 350 rupees comes from me. Apart from that, as a welcome benefit, when you download the HSBC mobile app and spend 5,000 rupees in the first 30 days of getting the card, you will get 500 rupees cashback, which is 10% returns. You also get 2 months of Easy Diner membership, and when you link your card to any UPI app and make 2 transactions of 250 rupees each within 30 days of getting the card, you will get 250 rupees cashback. Platinum RuPay card offers 2 reward points per 150 rupees spent, and you will earn 6x reward points on hotel, flights or car rental bookings using the Travel with Points portal of HSBC, and 5x reward points on any Apple product purchases from the HSBC Unicorn portal. You also have other features in the card, as you can see on the screen, and you won't get rewards on these transactions. All points earned can be redeemed instantly for air miles, hotel bookings or brand catalog using the HSBC mobile app. This is a great lifetime free card to enter the HSBC ecosystem and get better cards in the future like HSBC Life Plus, Travel One, Premier, etc. I recommend watching this video to know how to get any HSBC card if you stay outside of the serviceable areas, and also know about the HSBC Life Plus credit card. Before I tell you about the next card in the list, your RuPay credit card can get better rewards if you use it on the right platform. You might link it to random UPI apps and pay using those, but hardly get any extra rewards. What if I told you there is an app that you can get right now where you will earn extra rewards on every UPI payment done through that app over and above your existing credit card rewards? I am talking about the Check UPI, where you can link your existing RuPay cards, pay your day-to-day UPI spends using your RuPay cards from their app, and earn an extra 1.5% rewards as checkpoints on top of whatever the card is offering. No extra steps required, all done seamlessly from the Check app. The checkpoints you earn can be redeemed to get discounts while paying utility bills or credit card bills from the Check app, where 4 checkpoints are 1 rupee. Even if you don't have a RuPay card, you can still use the Check app for your regular UPI spends by linking your bank account to pay, but you will only get the rewards while using your RuPay cards. I've already talked about the Check AU RuPay credit card in my last video, which you can watch later, and if you use the link in my description to get the Check AU card, you will also get a 500 rupees Amazon Pay gift card. So I highly recommend you use Check UPI for your RuPay payments, and also check out the Check AU credit card. And now moving on to the next card, which is Yes Pop. This lifetime free RuPay card is currently on a lifetime free offer till 31st March 2027. As a welcome benefit with the card, you will get 3 months of free Zomato Gold, 3 months of Farm Easy Plus membership, and a 750 rupees discount voucher on Clear Trip flight bookings. Pop card gives you 10 pop coins for every 100 rupees spent, which is 10% rewards when you do online checkout using the card on any website or brand without any restriction, which is best for online shopping. For offline scan and pay transactions done through the Pop UPI app, you will get 7% rewards as pop coins, which is 5% pop reward plus 2% base reward. Best part is that even if you pay using other UPI apps, you still get the 2% rewards. So the pop coins you earn using the card can be redeemed in 3 ways. Number 1, by buying directly on the Pop app across 1000 plus brands in 1:1 ratio, where 1 pop coins value will be 1 rupee, giving you up to 50% discount on products. Number 2, by buying many brand vouchers where 4 pop coins are 1 rupee. Number 3, by paying bills or getting flat cashback on Pop UPI, where 10 pop coins are 1 rupee. Next lifetime free credit card in the list is my personal favorite, which is the Kiwi RuPay credit rate card that gives 1.5% cashback as QEs in every scan and pay transaction from the QE app except these transactions. And if you have Neon membership, base cashback increases to 2% for spends up to 50,000 rupees yearly, then 3% cashback for crossing 50,000, 4% cashback on spends of 1 lakh, and finally 5% cashback worth 7,500 rupees on 1.5 lakh of yearly spends. Since 4 QEs are 1 rupee, you will save 7,500 rupees minus 1180 Neon fee, which is 6,320 rupees every year. The QEs you earn can be redeemed directly to your bank account from the QE app for free. You also get 1 domestic lounge access in every milestone, so 3 total. This is a card I personally use regularly in my day-to-day UPI spends, and I have already spent 1.5 lakhs in the last 6 months, crossing all 3 Neon milestones, and can confirm that I've got all the extra cashback as promised. Just the last and the final one I'll get next month. One good news is QE is now being offered by Yes Bank, AU Bank, and new edition Punjab National Bank, which means if Yes Bank have ever rejected your QE application in the past, you still have hope. Almost 250 of my viewers have already applied for the QE card using my link and got a 250 rupees Amazon Pay gift card when the card was approved. So apply for QE using the link in description, which is high approval rate, and the best bank will be selected for you. To understand more about QE card and whether taking QE Neon membership is worth it or not, watch this video where I shared a detailed breakdown of cashback examples with and without Neon plus a cashback hack. The next lifetime free card in this list can help you save up to 21,495 rupees yearly in dining and entertainment, which is the IndusInd Easy Diner RuPay card that comes with 3 months of Easy Diner Prime membership worth 1,095 rupees and also offers 500 easy points as a joining bonus. This card is best suited for dining spends as you can save 25 to even 50% off on your bills across 2,000 plus restaurants and bars with Easy Diner Prime, plus an extra 20% off up to 500 rupees 3 times a month when you pay using the app via Pay Easy. It also offers buy one get one free movie ticket up to 200 rupees once every month on Book My Show, plus a 1% fuel surcharge waiver. Since it's a RuPay card, you can link it to any UPI apps of your choice and you will earn 2 reward points on every 100 rupees spent except on fuel, insurance, rent, utility, and government spends. This card also offers a milestone benefit of 2,000 IndusInd reward points on non-dining spends of 30,000 rupees within 90 days of getting the card. The value of each point is 20 paisa, which you can redeem as real money while paying dining bills using the Easy Diner app. Here is an example of how a 5,000 rupees bill can become 1,950 rupees using the card. And this is how you can save up to 21,495 rupees yearly using the Easy Diner card. In my videos, a lot of you ask about a fuel card. So the best RuPay card for fuel spends is the IDFC HPCL Power Plus RuPay Select card, which is not lifetime free, but adding it to the list as a bonus mention. So with Power Plus card, you can get up to 6.5% total value back on HPCL fuel purchases, 5% accelerated reward points plus 1.5% if you pay using the HP Pay app. You also get 5% accelerated rewards on grocery and utility bill payments, as well as IDFC FASTag recharges, and you will get 3x reward points on general UPI transactions. You can also get up to 26% bonus reward points on hotel bookings and 13% on flight bookings from the travel and shop section in the IDFC mobile app. Even though the card has a 499 rupees plus GST yearly fee, you will get 500 rupees gift voucher by doing HPCL fuel transactions of just 500 rupees or above within 60 days of getting the card, making it first year free. The reward points you earn using the card never expire, and you can redeem them online using the HP Pay app for buying vouchers using the Pay with Reward Points option by selecting the Power Plus card. You can also redeem them in the First Rewards gallery on the IDFC First mobile banking app or website by buying brand vouchers, travel bookings, or memberships. The next and final card on the list is Tata Neu Infinity. I know it's not technically a lifetime free card, but if you get the card using my link, you will get it for first year free, plus get a lot of welcome benefits like free Spotify Premium, Easy Diner Prime, Lenskart Gold membership, and all these benefits as you can see on the screen, including Zomato and Tata Click offers. And if you don't get enough value using the card for a year, you can just close it. This is going to be my strategy strategy as well, as I took it for first year free and I added it in this list because it's a great card that also has a RuPay variant. I have used this card a lot personally to buy electronics like 2 iPhones, Apple Watch, gold, laptop and more from Chroma and also got rewards. Tata Neu Infinity offers up to 10% cashback as Neo coins if you buy on Tata Neu app on all partner Tata brands like Big Basket, Chroma, Air India, etc., where 1 Neo coin is 1 rupee. If you buy from any partner Tata brands outside the Tata Neu app, you will get 5% cashback as Neo coins both online and even offline stores. You will also get 5% cashback if you pay bills on the Tata Neu app. In the RuPay variant, you will get 1.5% cashback as Neo coins on all scan and pay transactions done from the Tata Neu app. If you want detailed info on the best RuPay credit card of 2026, which is my personal favorite also, watch this video next. Thank you for watching. I'm Anirban and I'll see you at the next one. Cheers.